98, 90, 100. Anyway, leave it. I am coming.
Wow, so wonderful rings.
This one is mine.
By the way, this is suiting you as you are the clown.
Everyone makes fun of Kalia, always. If you were Kalia, then you would know that Kalia doesn't mind anything. I don't want to play with you. My back! Did when I bend over. Hey, you all stop this drama and help me. My back got stuck.
Now I understood when Kalia jokingly said that we all should be like him. Since then we started copying him even without wanting. It seems like Kalia's Joker ring is controlling all our rings.
Now see the fun. Jaggu, you do the ketchup dance. Beep, you do the Gangnam Style dance.
My stomach is getting bigger.
Your stomach is only getting bigger. I'm just going to blow up. Your hair is looking just like Kalia.
Everyone move like spinning wheel. Ghost.
Why do you want to control us? We don't even know you.
Then what are you doing with my lovely rings, huh? Now keep it? Alright, but think how much fun it will be when in some time, when you all will be ghosts like me, a deadly ghost.
We have started to become ghosts. Raju, Dholu Bolu, you make Gubbara busy. Till then, let me think something.
I lost the sight of them and accident happened. Wear it again. This ring is attached with everyone. If you punch me, then everyone will get bumped.
Laddu.
We are not able to control ourselves.
Now what's the use of these rings when it is not worn by anyone other than you, Gubbara? Now no one from us will become ghosts.
Stay alert!
If I go back, my shadow also.
What happened? What were those strange sounds?
Bheem, look! Whatever it is scared of mirrors. Oh my! It has fallen into this dry well. No!
In fact, I believe that ghosts do not exist in the world. Meow!
There is an old castle at the top of the mountain. Ghosts live there. So come on, guys, let's find out. The rain is not going to stop me. I'm sure some people will think that this rain and storm is because of the same ghosts. But no storm can stop me today from getting to the bottom of this mystery. Nothing can stop me today. Oh, ghosts, where are you?
come across twin ghosts,
When there are no ghosts, there cannot be any twin ghosts.
we will turn him into a little cat.
Listen, please. How about putting me down instead? Good idea. No, I don't want to be a ghost.
I said ghost, and I said cat. Ghost, cat, ghost, cat, ghost.
Don't be disheartened. We'll find a solution for this. To turn you back into a human, all we need from you is the address of that castle.
Yes!
A new style to trouble pesky children.
Bhim, Laddu!
Both of you hide quickly.
Saw that? You kept talking and the children ran away.
I was just trying to swat a fly.
Let's turn him into a ghost like us. Not at all, Kali. We will change him into a monkey. I said ghost. A monkey will be funnier to play with. Ghost. Monkey.
What's happening to me? I am a ghost.
To keep fighting with each other, let's make them fight more so that we can win against them one by one.
So tell me, which of you is better at everything?
I am. No, I am. You are my twin, and that's why I tolerate you. Otherwise? Huh? Otherwise what? Go away from here, or I won't spare you. Yeah, right.
Now for step 2. You remember how much the mirror scared the ghost cat?
Yes, after becoming a ghost, even I'm feeling scared of mirrors, Chutki. If a ghost touches one, then it will get trapped inside it.
We need a mirror as big as a wall. In the dark, it will seem like a twin is visible in the mirror.
I can't touch any mirror, but I can pick up Dholu Bolu anytime.
Yes, I know that you're a bot. You don't have any new ideas. That's why you imitate me. Huh? Okay, so get ready for a clash. A mirror? I am Kale, my brother. Lal, my brother.
First, you will have to do what we tell you to.
Yes, tell me.
1. Turn the ghost cat back into a human.
Oh, okay. Yay!
2. Turn the ghost monkey back into Kalia now.
Oh, okay.
One more condition, that you two ghost brothers never trouble people again.
We promise. Brother. My dear brother.
Once we cross those mountains, we reach the border of our Iga province.
The mountain wind is quite chilly.
Shh. Listen to that.
What's the matter, Bhim?
Sounds like some small animal is crying.
A fawn of a Sitka deer.
Let's go.
Oh no! Poor thing got stuck in vines.
Just hold on, Chutki.
Why, Bhim?
Something is not right. Looks as if someone is out there.
A wild bear.
Dare you even think of touching her?
Huh?
Sam, we need to attack him from two sides. Or else it may injure either one of us. Sam, those wild vines. We can tie him up with those. Now we just need to distract him.
Let me do that. Hey, you fatso, come here.
Wow, Bholu, our boss is not as coward as we think.
Yes, he is calling the bear towards himself.
Look over here. These two are calling you, pal. It's not so scary, you see.
Yes, no wonder you pushed us ahead and went and hid behind the bushes yourself.
Bhim, I don't want all of you to travel under such stress anymore. I know there's a cave nearby. We can spend the rest of the night there.
Do you think I'm a numbskull? Huh?
No. Of course not, boss. Though I don't know about the numb bit, but you're definitely not just a skull.
You both are going to have it from me. Stop, both of you.
Come on, Kalia. Let them be.
Why don't you do your work and let me and my boys do whatever we want to, huh?
That reminds me, Bheem. Professor Dhoomketu had called you to his laboratory for some work. It's about something called a lava car.
Everyone just calls Bheem all the time. Why doesn't Professor Dhoomketu ever call me for any work?
Had that been of any use, he would have surely called.
What did you just say?
I was just saying that you're the one and only world-famous wrestler of Dholakpur. So you can walk in uninvited anywhere, Kalia boss.
You got a point. So let's go.
This is my lava car.
But where is the lava, uncle?
Well, kids, if I had really put boiling lava into this, do you think making this machine, this car would have been possible?
Of course not. Hot molten lava can even melt steel.
And when it cools down, it becomes solid and heavy as a rock.
That is why instead of using actual lava in this car of mine, I have used certain new chemicals which mimic the properties of real molten lava.
But what does this car actually do, uncle?
Well, actually, I made this for car racing, you see.
For car racing?
I was thinking, if you can trial this car out, Bheem.
Why Bheem? Why not me?
Kalia, what were you doing behind the bushes?
He was hiding and listening to what you were discussing.
If anyone gets to trial this car first, that should be me.
Whether he would be able to understand the intricacies of this car or not.
Instead of understanding intricacies, boss understands delicacies better.
Although all the controls are inside the car, but for the sake of convenience, I have made this remote for it,
Which would be used by us.
Me down! Dholu, Bolu! Enough now!
Dholu, Bholu, stop it now!
Come on, why can't we both have a little fun, Bheem?
Huh?
We are just trialing out everything in this new car.
Away! Crazy smoke!
Oh no! What's this?
Yikes!
Move out of the way!
Bheem, take this!
Don't worry, everything is fine.
Bheem, hope you didn't get hurt. And how's Kalia?
Yes, we are fine. But your car.
Well, let me take this vehicle back to my laboratory.
All my bones are aching so badly.
Do you really have any bones? I thought it's only fat in there. Greetings, my lord.
Come, Bheem. Well, kids, there's a lovely mountain at the border of Dholakpur called Neeli Pahadi. I want you all to go there on a holiday trip. Whatever trekking gear, tents, and all you would need for that, I'll provide them. Consider it a small gift from me. I'm sure you are all going to enjoy this camping trip. So, are you all willing?
Yes, my lord.
Neeli Pahadi.
Wow. This is nowhere close to the color blue.
Then why is this called Blue Mountain or Neeli Pahadi?
You fools! That's just a name! A name!
Having laddus at night is much more fun, guys. Heaven knows what's there on top of that mountain where that old battle was fought.
Raju, this is a holiday trip. We are here to have fun. Not to climb on top of a mountain.
It's quite late at night. I'm feeling very sleepy.
I'll be on guard duty. All of you go to sleep.
Let's go to sleep then.
Bheem is protecting everyone even here.
Like he does at Dholakpur.
Let me do the guarding.
But Kalia.
Bheem, Neeli Pahadi's expert is Kalia the wrestler. I'll do the guard duty. Rest will sleep. I won't sleep. Neeli Pahadi's expert.